first of all, my apologies because I am actually cooking hot dogs, but I'm not cooking hot dogs right now because I'm up here talking to you, so we're a little bit behind. But thank you for Ocean Shores Night Out, and I have our great police chief here to talk about everything we're going to do today.
I didn't realize that's what I was talking about, but I'd like to welcome everybody here tonight. I'm super excited, this being our first of an annual event for us for National Night Out. And I've said it before, this is something that I've always wanted to do, put on, and the fact that it was put together in such a hurry, and everything that's involved in it. We've got North Beach Realty here giving stuff away. We've got the Elks Club here that's giving stuff away. Ham Radio's here to talk about their stuff with the CERT team and everything. So this is, and of course all the food. We've got plenty of food, and hopefully we'll have a lot more people showing up. We're just getting started, a little bit late, but we are getting started, and I am super excited. This is going to grow, I have no doubt, into bigger and better things in the years to come. So thank you everybody again, everybody that's here helping out, and everybody that is showing up from the community. This is awesome. I'm happy. So enjoy. Oh yes, and we've got the dunk tank. And I'm pretty sure I volunteered for it, so I'm told. I will be the first person sitting in the dunk tank, and we'll be dunking both police officers as well as firefighters in the dunk tank. So come on out and have a shot at it and see what you can do. I'm sure they added ice cubes to the water. I have no doubt about that too. So anyway, thank you everybody.
How are you?
Oh! Wow! Man.
Low on that girl. Ooh. A little bit high on that one. Oh, some smoke on that throw. I think the Chief's worried legitimately this time. Ooh. The first legitimate dunk of the night, everybody. A little high heat on that one puts the Chief in the water.
And I'm the state chairman for the Elks Drug Awareness Program. And what we try and do is bring information to families to let them know about what's going on with drugs and how it's affecting our kids. And right now there are 295 deaths a day in the United States from drug overdoses. And And so we work very closely with our schools. We have programs for Teen Zone, Kid Zone. And here in Ocean Shores, we work very closely with Jody Brown at North Beach High School in the TAD group, Teens Against Destructive Decisions, to promote Red Ribbon Week and to promote anti-drug awareness and to work with the kids and provide opportunities for them to learn. This is our first time participating in National Night Out here in Ocean Shores, and it is such a great event. It gives us a chance to get the word out and to spread information to families throughout the whole community. And this is a great event the city's put on, and we look forward to it growing more and more every year.
My name is Gary Gosling, KJ7LED, and I'm here to help people get interested in ham radios. And we have here, these are DMR radios, there's regular radios, depending on wherever you want to play with amateur radio. We have it out here at Ocean Shores. We meet every Tuesday and Friday over here at, what's the name of that treasure place? Yeah, Beach Treasure over here at the roundabout in Ocean Shores at about 10 o'clock in the morning for coffee, and we all meet. There's no real club. We just get together and help one another. If somebody needs something, we go help them do it. And that's pretty much covers it.
You know, because those cut up the fruit bowl makes it tight out. And you know, bring them tight. So, all right, let's hear it.
That's more done. Yeah, the back, the grill's a lot hotter than the front there.
And a hot dog.
They're coming.